Video we will see how you can install and set up Tailwind CSS in your ReactJS project. So first you need to create ReactJS project. For that you need Node.js on your system. Just install Node and then you can create a new React project using command npx create React app Tailwind try. Then go inside that folder and open it in VS Code. Then write command npm run start. That will start this React project. You can visit it on localhost :3000. So let's go to official website tailwindcss.com. So basically Tailwind CSS is it is a utility for CSS framework. So consider it is just like the Bootstrap, but it is much better because Bootstrap had some fixed class styles, right? So it has like lots of variations, so that's why it is good. So we are currently integrating it with the ReactJS, right? CRA template, like default create React app template. So we will choose this. If you decide to install it using a different app, you can try this also. Next, White, SolidJS, Angular. Okay, it supports a lot of apps. Now let's go here, create React app. Then as we already created our React project, we need to install this library. So in terminal, okay, let's do it here in the new terminal. Okay, so npm install -d Tailwind CSS. It is, this command is very similar to like that as saved. So basically we are saying it as install this dependency as a dev dependency, right? So once we it means that when we export our app, it won't go to like in the target folder, okay, in public folder. So because this is like utility thing, because when we will export our app, all this Tailwind CSS classes will be converted to normal CSS, right? So that's why we don't need it in dependency, core app dependency, right? So it is in the dev dependency. Okay, so that is done. Then we need to initialize Tailwind CSS config. That we can do with this npx Tailwind CSS init. So it created tailwind config.js file. Then we need to copy this config. Next step, copy, paste. Basically it is saying that watch out for files which are in the src folder, right? So basically support those files. Okay, then in the index.css file we need to add those rules, directive rules, index.css inside src. So at top, so paste it, then save. Okay, and then we need to restart our server. So we started our server in first terminal, so let's go there and close it, restart it again. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, nothing happens because we did not write any single line of Tailwind, right? So how we will know? So let's go to app.js. Let's remove all of this rafc. Let's save it. And I mean the font changed, but we can't notice, right? So let's write some Tailwind, maybe class text 4xl is a Tailwind class. Then font semi bold is also, it is also Tailwind class. Okay, so it is applied. So it means that our Tailwind CSS is working, right? So it is giving us the example like to test it. So we can copy this also. This is also fine. Then let me remove those styles then for the parent division. Yeah, let's say paste. See, those styles are applied. Once our Tailwind is set up, we can pretty much go into like layouts, how it divides into columns, then flakes, like we can do anything that we can with the CSS, right? It has like lots of flexibility. So basically, if you know CSS like very well, then you can, I mean, you don't need to learn the Tailwind CSS because you already know it. You just need to set up the library. That's it. This tab installation. Yeah, that's it for Tailwind